The examination process is going on well. I think the government is extremely vigilant to ensure that we deliver a credible examination to our children. But having said so, it is also important to re-emphasize one fact that there are a few hotspots in this country, this being one of them. A very unfortunate incident of yesterday where we were able to uncover a plot to cheat in the exam by getting some among them university students sitting an exam for others. And there are also a few schools that we are monitoring here quietly. I hope that they will be deterred by the very stern warning that I have issued this morning. If they become bold enough to continue to do what they want to do, then the full force of the law will come onto them. We'll also be going to the Homa Bay area this morning to ensure that one or two schools there that are planning to do it. It's actually one syndicate. Starts from here and goes to the Rongo area, which is actually very hot. So I will be there this morning, and then goes down to Migori and up to Isabania and to the islands. And now we're just being shocked that there are schools which are also deeply involved around Kendu Bay area. So it is that circuit that is giving us headache for now, and we shall deal with it firmly and without fear or favor.